Hi guys, welcome to my new acrylic pouring tutorial. Today I decided to make a new composition and I wanted to get cells on it. So many of you are asking me how I do my flows so smooth, how I do them without cells. Actually yes, I don't like cells a lot. Why? Because usually I do sharp embellishments. I like sharp shapes, sharp lines, and do lots of finger swipes. And when you swipe the part of the painting that contains cells, you nearly destroy the cells. Actually, they became just dirty spots. But today, my composition will not contain sharp lines. I want to use only rounded shapes today. And for these shapes, the cells are very beautiful for sure. As you know, I use only paint and water mixture, and I noticed that when I use only Amsterdam acrylic paints, there are no cells in the flow at all. And if I use PBO acrylic paints, there will be cells for sure. So my secret of the cells is, if you're using only Amsterdam acrylics, there will be no cells. If you will use in one painting Amsterdam and PBO acrylics together, especially iridescent colors by PBO, there will be cells for sure. And now back to the painting. Today it will be one color base, and for the base I use permanent red violet light. First color of the floor will be titanium white, pearl white, blue violet, little bit mixed with titanium white, blue violet, iridescent violet blue by PBO, quinacridone rose light, iridescent precious gold by PBO, and iridescent gold by PBO. I want to use turquoise colors for contrast, and I need to separate pink colors with turquoise with titanium white. And this is greenish blue, turquoise green, iridescent green blue by PBO, pearl white again. I think I add a little bit more. And iridescent gold by PBO. I add some base color next to my flow to help moving colors better. Let's start the painting, and I'm ready to blow it out. The colors are really beautiful, but something went wrong with blowing out. Let's try another side. Yes, the right side is really better. Usually I don't like to blow out the same part more than once, but here's no choice. I will scrape it out and try the left side one more time. So the same color for the base, same color for the floor, and I hope it will work better this time. And yes, now it's exactly what I wanted. Just working a little bit with details. Here I remove the paint. Here is too much paint. Then I decided to fix it a little bit with my breath. I'm really sorry for the bad camera angle. I will try to do my best with it next time. And here it is done. Let's torch it a little bit for maybe even more cells. Do you see them? In the center there's very amazing cells, and there are not so many of them, just a few, and I like it, really like, and the composition is very beautiful. Let's see the dry result. Here it is, all dry and covered with 2 layers of gloss varnish. Let's just see how the canvas texture is turning out. There are so many beautiful details, it's so vivid colors. Oh my god, I love it. I totally love it with this composition and everything. And what do you think? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.